All right, welcome to week 2 of the Kit Conspiracy Kit, and I have a ton of some assemblage required product, you guys, because this kit is actually featuring my paper pack, and so I decided to go all out and use mostly my stuff, but then also include a bunch of like Dusty Attic, things I carry in the shop. All in Create are stamps I carry in the shop, stencils, things like that. These little paper clips are also in the shop currently. So anyways, let's get started. First things first, I usually start with the paper. So let me move all the goodies out of the way. So this is my paper pack, and we are actually using 2 of these paper packs because you only get one of each double-sided paper and then these 2 cut-apart sheets. So what you see on the front is what you get. You get one of each piece of paper and then these 2 cut apart. So I will go through. I have mine stacked double, so there's each piece are already together. So I'm going to put my, this is just a cover sheet. I should have thought about no waste on this as well, but I didn't think that far ahead and I was just too excited to get my paper out there. All right, so this is the first piece. It is a linen looking paper, so it's got a good linen texture on it, and it's these cute little clouds, again 2 of each. So we bought 2 paper packs in order to play with this paper, and then the other side is this really cool almost like suitcase looking tufted, or even a chair, anything like that. Oh, super cool. Leatherish paper. I love it. Leather, suede, something like that. I also want to mention that my paper is in digital form, so you guys can go and get it digitally. So then I've got this green. It's like a minty, sagey green. I know mint and sage are totally different, but it's more on the sagey green. And then the other side are these postcards. All different types of postcards. What are those? Lighthouses, lamps, things like that. Okay, definitely travel-esque. And then here we have a cruise ship, some older cruise type ships. So you got 2 different kinds going on there, a little bit of a larger scale, and then the other side is this map print. Again, 2 sheets. Okay, and it's a nondescript map print, so it doesn't, none of the words make any sense or anything, and it's not really supposed to represent the actual globe. It's just a mappish type of print. And then here I've got suitcases, lots of fun, and then there's a little bit of distressing all along in here, so it's not supposed to be perfect. A little dirty-ish because, you know, white paper scares me. You guys all know that. And then the other side is this beautiful wood grain. Look at that and all that texture. Let me bring it up some. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all that texture and that wood and the blues. Oh my gosh, love that. Okay, then I have sailboats. Sailboats are my favorite. I have all types of boats out there. I love me a good sailboat, sail ship, whatever. I absolutely love it. The water's all distressed as well. We've got a little bit of distressing up in here. So yes, it is just fabulous. More distressing over here. So anyways, distressed, and then we've got another wood grain. I love this because it looks like the ends, like you went to Home Depot and just took a picture of the end of the boards, you know, the instead of, but even though I don't know, I just really like it because it looks like the bottom of the board instead of the plank of the board. So anyways, I get 2 pieces. Whew, I'm trying to go by fast because there's some people that haven't seen this paper, and it is kind of exclusive to my shop. It's only available in my shop, and truth be told, I only share it in my Facebook groups and my Facebook page. So yes, this is probably new. These are a bunch of compasses. I think it's upside down. It is upside down. So these are a bunch of compasses and whatnot. Some are faded in the background and all that good stuff. And then the other side is just this gorgeous, gorgeous distressed paper. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Okay. You guys can see a little bit of me in here. Now here's some mountain ranges. Love this. This is my mom's favorite piece of paper, again with the distressing along some of the edges and whatnot. So just beautiful colors, you guys. Look at those colors. Gorgeous colors. Oh my stars. And then the other side is this. It actually kind of looks a little off compared to the rest, but it is a very fine printed plaid, and it has those same colors from like the cruise ships and whatnot, and some of the other pieces have this rusty in there as well. So just a beautiful plaid. Love it. Love, love, love me a good plaid. And then here is the striped paper. So again, with the distressing on the inside of it, makes it look like it's already dirty and worn, stepped on maybe, something like that. That's my life. And then here is this gorgeous blue print right in here. So it is a beautiful blue, matches this plaid. Gorgeous. I mean, like, yes, I can't wait to use this paper, you guys. I've been hoarding it, so I don't use it until this week right here. And then we've got 2 of the cut apart sheets, and the reason why we did this is so that way you could use the other side, because the other side is this gorgeous blue. I just wanted to add a lot more of the blue into this, and then you can fussy cut out all the things. Now, one of the things I wanted to do with my cut aparts is not give you too many of too much, right? So when it comes to the scenery, you only get one of the scenery pieces, you only get one of the people-y pieces, but you get lots and lots of seagulls, lots of them, lots and lots of suitcases and backpacks and cameras and compasses in all different sizes and whatnot, globes in different sizes as well, and then the postage or the signposts in different sizes. So wanted to make sure that you had that. Same with the planes and trains and things. Also, you get just one of each of those, so that way you don't have to put the same plane on all of your layouts, right? That was the whole idea of that one. And then I gave you nothing but the florals. So here is all things florally. Okay, you've got the a couple clusters, not too many. That way you can build your own clusters as well, but you got a couple pre-made clusters, and then some of the ferns and broadleaves, and then these roses and whatnot to make your own. And again, the 2 pieces, because there is this beautiful paper on the back side. Like, I love this paper. It's one of my favorite papers. All right, you guys, so that is, whoa, too many things falling and cascading on me. So that is my paper pack for right now. Right now, I'm gonna flip it back over. Oh my golly. All right, so that's all the papers we put in this kit. I will leave a link down below if you guys are like, where can I get my hands on that? Because once it is sold out, it is sold out. So just to let you guys know that. And then what I added also, I've got stuff everywhere. I also added this, I'm trying to keep it all in one stack. Okay, I also added this set right here. This is my monthly box for February. Just this little pile right here. Ignore this, ignore this, ignore this. This right here. So it came with 3 wax seals. The wax seals have, like, on top of the globe, it has national monuments like the Leaning Big Ben, the Eiffel Tower, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Statue of Liberty, a plane, so, a hot air balloon, and some clouds. So that's what it has, and you get 3 of those. Okay, so there are those. Then you get from Dusty Attic some of these canceled stamps, and then these. I've used a couple of these before, but I brought in the brand new set instead of using one that's already used up, because this is actually what you get in your kit. I also have this title here. It says, "Wherever we go with all our hearts." And it is made out of blue acrylic on top of white acrylic. So my 2-tone acrylic pieces, and super thin, you guys. Super, super thin. Like, there's the acrylic inside the packaging, and you can't even tell that it's in there because it is super thin acrylic. I love my acrylic. How many times can I say the word acrylic? Okay, then you get all these cool little charms, cameras and airplanes and compasses, a passport, a postcard, globes. This little charm says, "Find joy in the journey," and then of course an envelope, and then the binoculars. Okay, so there are the little charms. This whole packet right here, it says Let's Go Travel, Frames and Tags by Echo Park. You get all of those in my little monthly box. Okay, and then I think that's it. No, I'm missing a wood piece. Oh, the wood piece. Where's the wood piece? I don't know. I'll find it. It's in here somewhere. All these wood pieces and I don't have it. So anyways, you've got this right here, all in Create, and you get this stencil inside all of this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the wood piece that I am currently missing, which I will make sure I have, makes 7 little items inside this cute little monthly box of mine. And it matches beautifully with the paper pack. Beautifully. All right, also in the shop, I have these Dusty Attic, I know now it's become a shop thing, but in my kit, I have these. They're 2, if you can see, they're separated, and they are just these cool little borders. And as you can tell, it's one border and then they split them in half. Jenny split them in half. So you could have 2 going straight across and it just looks like all this really fun stuff. I love this. It's my favorite border. And then this is from Fun Stamper's Journey. Let me open it up really quickly. And you have potty people as well as a couple travel little things. You get a little car and a little airplane and then a boy and a girl potty person for paper clips. Now, clearly I'm not going to use all of these pieces, but I did add those into my kit. I also added, let me do these really quick because they're not in packaging. This is new to my shop for this month. I have these gears. You get 9, I believe. I don't know, 12 maybe? I have no idea, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you get 9 gears in this kit, or not kit, that I put in the kit, but they are new in my shop. So I'm a little OCD. I have to stack them back up, but I don't have time for that. This one here is so cute. It says vacation calories don't count. And then these are rose petal ice cream. We had this in Costa Maya and I loved it. It was it Costa Maya? Or was it the other one? Was it, anyways, I don't remember now, but it was just amazing. Fabulous, you guys. And so I couldn't help but make a little wood piece that goes with it. I also have a ton of palm trees. So I've got 4 palm trees here. Right there, my sketchy palm trees. Okay, so got that. And then I've got this piece right here. It's a little nice cluster piece. It says, if you never try, you'll never know. And it's got an anchor down here, an airplane up here, the sunshine, a lot of, what are they called? Tribal little lines clustering into it. And then there's the globe. There's birds flying around here. And then the little ocean wave in there. So I love this. Absolutely love it. And then these are called abstract palms because each one of them has a palm tree. This one here is a palm tree growing up and then the sun around it with a wave and then it's cut off so you only get half. And then of course the little birdies on the side. This one, if you do it this way, then you've got a little wave with the sunset and then the palm going this way, but it's actually meant, they're all meant to go up and down. That is how it is supposed to be meant, but it's yours. You own it. You can do whatever you want with it. I might have mine going this way as well. Who knows? This one here is a cute little palm tree, and then it's got an airplane wrapping around it right inside there. This is a set of 5, by the way. This one here, same thing, palm tree on the side, airplane flying out on the side, and then a lot of tribal work going on at the top and the bottom. Love that. And then here, same thing. If you go this way, then the palm tree is down at the bottom. If you go this way, the ocean wave is on the bottom. It is meant to go like this because you have the sun up at the top. So that is what that is supposed to look like. But it's yours. You own it. You can do it this way if you guys want to. Honestly, it's entirely up to you how you want to use it. I just brought it in because Galveston had a ton of palm trees. I also brought in, this was, I want to say February's release. This one here is Where To Next. And I haven't taken the masking off, so this one has, these ones all have the masking off. If you can see, it, look how the difference, do you see the difference with the masking on? the masking off. It is much clearer, much cleaner, doesn't have all these little scorch marks or anything like that. So I still have to take the masking off of my question mark, but I love this because the whole town going around the question mark, and then the question is down at the end. So I really like that, and this is a road map going around. I just thought it was super uber cute, you guys. Love that question mark. Then I have not all those who wander are lost, and it goes around the world. And what's really cool is you got a little sailboat, then you've got a little like desert scene with a little camper, and then a mountain scene with trees. So it's just all the different things that you can do around the world. I love that, or anywhere, right? And then this is my something token, I don't know, traveler's token, and it's got the little airplane going around the world, and then a little suitcase. Thought it would be kind of cool. Again, none of the masking is taken off. And then this is my tiny traveler. Isn't it cute? Look at how big it is. It's just little. Geotag and a suitcase and an airplane. Love it. Love it. Okay, so those are all my embellishments. To top it off, I also threw in this stencil here by All in Create. I thought it was kind of cool. Looks like longitude and latitude signs. So I threw that in. This is brand new to me, but it's postage stamps. So I threw this in as well from All in Create, and you get all these cool little frames. So one of these is the inside frame, the other one is the outside frame, but none of them cut the middle parts out. So you get the solids of all of these. And then of course the little smaller postage stamps with the little inner bits as well. Okay, and then I've got this stamp set here. It's just a bunch of random bits, great for mixed media, great for inking up your page, making your own backgrounds. Not that my paper isn't full of backgrounds, but I thought it was kind of cool to add these on. They're not very big of stencils, but I really, really like them, okay? Especially this half a compass right here. That is my favorite. This one right in here. I just really love numbers, you guys. I'm obsessed with numbers, and adding them to my layout is awesome. And then this one right here, that one was called, by the way, Explorer's Layers. Say that 10 times fast. And then this one is Stamped Stories. And so it's got a bunch of wordy bits and stuff. A little bit, looks like canceled stamps. This little compass here. This little numbery bit right here. This looks like a heartbeat or a stitching of some sort. So I can't wait for that. And then that is what the stamps look like in real life. All right. So I cannot wait to get into this particular kit because it's basically all me. And I get to add a little bit. I'm going to bring in my, what are they called? Paint pens. I'm going to paint up some of these pieces and distress them and make them match a little bit more, not keeping them all in the wood grain. Same with my chipboard pieces. So I am going to bring in some color, but as for now, this is what I've got to play with. I am so super stoked. I can't wait to see what I make out of all these. I do know that I am going to be working on this year's cruise. So we went on a cruise in February. It was a scrapbooking cruise for a class that Janet and I took. No, we didn't take it. We taught it. And so I'm going to be working on a bunch of layouts for the cruise, especially when we got to Galveston and we went to the Strand, so which is a street in Galveston. That was super, super cool. Anything that I have left over from last week, like my tickets and things like that, I might also bring in to this kit because I think tickets will be kind of cool. So yes, I am going to be playing with this kit and playing with all these nice, fun things. I can't wait, you guys. All right, I will see you guys real soon, well, tomorrow with my first layout. See ya.